Right, so this is a quick video doing on custom GPTs. Now, normally what we would do here is go to ChatGPT, and we've got a nice little prompt. Now, this is to create a YouTube video description. So it's got all the call to actions and the site and all that stuff. And normally what we would do is copy and paste this into ChatGPT. 1 mini's fine, whatever. And then we put the video title in here. It's got this use emojis and stuff, which I've tested. It all works good. And this works really well. But you have to come to your text file, come in here, find your title and paste it in. Now, instead of doing this to make it even faster, what you can actually do is go and create a custom GPT in here. Now we're going to call this, because this is for a specific brand, so we'll probably make one for each different brand or website or client or whatever. So we'll put YouTube description, and then basically what I've done, and it seems to work quite well, is put this in here, which is the full prompt. The conversation starter would be, what is your video title? That's just to remind me or whoever's using it or whatever what to put in. It's pretty basic. You could probably go further with this. Description, it just creates a fancy YouTube video description with call to action and nice styling. Okay. Conversation starters, you could play around this, add more. I'll just do that for now. I haven't really tried turning this on or off, but it seems to work good like that. So I think that's basically it. Once you've created that, authentication doesn't seem to need to do that. I did try and create this anyone with a link, and it blocks you because I've used the word YouTube in there. It's got a brand name in it, so we could change that. But if I put only me, so probably if you change the word YouTube to just video, it would probably work, and then you can share it with anyone. I don't know. Should we just try that quickly? Right, I've removed the words YouTube from it, so we'll try this and see if it works this time. Yeah, it says there's some kind of copyright in there. So we're just going to do create and just only me. I'm sure there is a way of getting it to work with if I remove any kind of branding stuff. It might even be the our website brand that's triggering that. And so it saved it there. You don't have to go and view that now. You can go back to here, and if you just refresh your GPTs, it should be in the list already. And it's quite nice, this, because if you just go in here, what is your video title? You can actually click on that. It's just giving us a weird video title, so actually we don't want that. So I've just changed that to ask what is your video title. So that's actually going to be the GPT asking us. Okay, we're going to try and create that again, because I was messing about. With all my trial and error of stuff, this would have been a lot faster. You literally knock these out in a few seconds. So if I then go back again, because what I did is I deleted it, and then it didn't like it when I tried to actually update it. So what we've got here is now, this is only for me, but we can probably mess around so that that's available. So ask what's your video title. If I click on that, it says what's the title of your video, blah, blah, blah. You don't actually even need to click on that. If I go back again, just to test this, literally what you can do, and so it makes it really fast, all you need to do is type in the video title. So if we put how to make a wooden table, for example, right, that's the only information I'm giving it right now. And I haven't told it to do anything about YouTube or anything like that. It's all stuck in the prompt that is in the back end of this custom GPT, and it's remembered all of this stuff. I want the brand in there. I want the call to action in there, the nice emojis and bullet points and all that rest of it. So that's it. You can literally pump these out. It's probably about 5 times faster than going to the text file each time, copying and pasting it and stuff, because you literally just go there and you just paste your video title right in there. I'm quite a fan of these custom GPTs. I think I will be using this a lot for all different processes.